A very big hello to all my dear little ones. How are you all? I hope you all are happy and enjoying quality time with your family. I am Prerna ma'am. Children, as you all are aware about different shapes, you have learned some basic shapes in your previous classes like square, rectangle, triangle and circle. In your previous sessions, you have learned 4 new shapes. They are sphere, cone, cylinder and prism. Let's do a quick recap of those shapes. Sphere, football, marble, earth, they all are of sphere shape. Cone, ice cream cone, birthday cap, traffic cone and mehndi cone. They all are of cone shape. Cylinder, cold drink can, glue stick, candle and alkaline battery. They all are of cylinder shape. Prism, pastry box, chocolate and camping tent. They all are of prism shape. Children, today we will learn 3 new shapes. They are Pentagon, Hexagon and Octagon. Let's start. A figure with 5 straight sides is called Pentagon. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is a gift box. Gift box is a decorative box for putting gifts. It has 5 sides, so it is pentagon shaped gift box. This is a table. Table is a piece of furniture with a flat top. It provides level surface for eating and writing. It has 5 sides, so it is pentagon shaped table. A figure with 6 straight sides is called hexagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is a clock. It shows time. It has 6 sides, so it is hexagon shaped clock. This is bolt. Bolt is metal object which screws into a nut and used to fasten things together. It has 6 sides, so it is hexagon shaped bolt. This is a tile. Tile is a piece of baked clay used to cover a roof, floor or wall. It has 6 sides, so it is hexagon shaped tile. This is weight. It is a piece of metal used to weigh how heavy an object or quantity of a substance. It has 6 sides, so it is hexagon shaped weight. A figure with 8 straight sides is called octagon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. This is a trampoline. Trampoline is a piece of equipment on which you jump up and down as a sport. It has 8 sides, so it is octagon shaped trampoline. This is a traffic sign board. It shows stop sign. It has 8 sides, so it is octagon shaped signboard. Children, you have learnt about pentagon, hexagon and octagon. Now it's time to do some pages related to these shapes in your classwork book. Children, please take out page number 13 of your classwork book. Here there are some pentagons. You have to trace them and color them with the color of your choice. Next page is page number 15. Here we have some hexagons. You have to trace them and color them with the color of your choice. Next page is page number 17. Here we have some octagons. You have to trace them and color them with the color of your choice. Hope today's session was informative. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.